welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nisha. Today we're going to be getting into CurlsQueen, just like the last two videos that I did with CurlsQueen. Their products are amazing. I'm going to be wearing the 20-inch water curly clip-ins. It's going to be a 3A, 3B hair texture. Now we're going to open this pretty box up. And as always, CurlsQueen is going to provide you with free gifts, which is a brush, a bonnet, and some clip-in pieces. We have the CurlsQueen brush. Then we have the satin bonnet. It is reversible, and it comes with the elastic band to make it nice and tight on your head, especially so that it doesn't come off at night. They do provide 4 clip-ins for you. Normally, the spares are if you brush the threading off the wefts, and some people do like to remove the clip-ins and sew the wefts into their hair. However, I do prefer the clip-ins. It's a lot easier and a lot faster. When removing the hair, it's a little party confetti. They do provide you with the thank you card and the brochure with the return information, contact info, and their social media. Now that we got their lovely free gifts out the way, the extensions always come in a satin bag, satin bags, or satin pillowcases. It does help defrizz hair. Here is our 20-inch water curly clip-ins. 20 inches may not seem like a lot, but we are going to go ahead and give her a nice wash, a nice brush. The length really is going to elongate. Ooh. Okay, that's actually the right color. That's good. It didn't stink either. We like. This is 100% human hair. This is thick from beginning to the very end. She's looking very long compared to earlier. She's looking very long. It's definitely a lot longer than I was expecting, but we love that. We love the unexpected. What we're gonna do now is a middle part leave out method. The first video that I did with the water kinky curly clip-ins, I blended it with my real hair, which looked very full and voluminous. However, it was a lot of hair to deal with. Let me start prepping my hair and I'll get right back to you. For those who don't know how to scalp braid, which is kind of me, you can slick it back just like that. I did have it sitting on a hanger air drying. The extensions do come with 10 wefts, which is 10 of these extensions. And you might be thinking these braids are too thick. If it's curly, it's definitely not noticeable. It does show more volume at the root of the head. However, if it is straight hair, you would want your base to be more flattened, just so that it's less noticeable and less bumpy. We're gonna start with the 3 in the back. This looks amazing. The curl pattern matches, the color matches. I feel very complete with this. We're gonna try a few hairstyles. This is the 20-inch water curly clip-ins, and this is human hair. This is a one bundle for a full head. Its density is from top to bottom, and its color and consistency and texture is A1. And if you guys like this YouTube video, please like and subscribe. I'm out.